wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 9 best nebulizing diffusers. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 9, the Organic Aromas Opulence is a powerful model that can cover a room up to 800 square feet. The wide ceramic base makes it a good choice for creating your own blends, and there's an optional LED light that lends a soft glow. It's offered in multiple colors or with a 1-year part and service warranty. But of course it does look like a laboratory flask. At number 8, the ptahtex driving kit is designed for small spaces like inside a vehicle, and for convenience includes 3 atomizing inserts so you can rotate oils easily. It creates a fine mist that'll circulate through your vents and can even help remove bad odors. The battery lasts for up to 50 hours and it offers 3 output levels. However, its continuous mode is overpowering. Coming in at number 7 on our list, the compact diffuser world Aroma Ace has clearly marked run, rest and output dials, so anyone can program it in a snap. It can fill a surprisingly large room when turned all the way up, but it will run through oils quickly on its highest setting. It's available in 5 colors and connects directly to small bottles, but it's not very stylish. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Nebulizing Diffusers, or simply click beneath this video. At number 6, the Organic Aromas Radiance is equipped with an intricate cut glass reservoir that won't corrode when using citrus-based blends. The base is constructed from plantation hardwood painted with a water-based lacquer that won't off-gas. It comes with optional rainbow mood lighting and can help remove foul odors. However, it is a little noisy on its high setting. Moving up our list to number 5. The Pilgrim Collection Sofia comes with 2 glass reservoirs, so you can change the scent you're enjoying without having to first clean one out. It features 2 lighting modes, including one that slowly dims and brightens to help you meditate. It's equipped with a handmade ceramic cover and an oak wood base, but it makes a constant low hum. At number 4, if you have a business you want to keep smelling great, or just want your entire house blanketed without having to buy multiple devices, the 3 Drops of Life connects to HVAC systems for whole building distribution. A 500ml bottle of oil will last about a month. It's easy to install and includes a timer. However, it costs a lot more than most. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the Organic Aromas Raindrop 3.0 is made without any plastics and is equipped with a smart magnetic power cord that detaches quickly to prevent pets and small children from dragging it off the table if they get caught up in it. It features a touch sensor that turns the light on and off, a quiet and durable air pump, and an elegant shape. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Nebulizing Diffusers, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the sleek Loxim Portable has a slim profile, so it won't take up too much counter space while freshening an entire room. The simple design means there's almost nothing to clean, and it can accommodate 10 or 15ml bottles. It works with oils of any viscosity and offers multiple timer settings. It operates very quietly too. And taking the top spot on our list, the aromis Orbis Lux Merus features a built-in timer that cycles on and off at 10-minute intervals to help your oils last longer while still keeping your room smelling great. The glass is hand-blown and there are no plastic parts that touch the oil. You can choose from 3 glass designs, all with a natural beechwood base and an adjustable output. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Nebulizing Diffusers, or simply click beneath this video.